brand new Simplicity stick vacuum, the S67. This is replacing the S65. Let's open this bad boy up. See what it's got for us. It's my first time looking at it, by the way, so I'm going to be just as surprised as everybody else. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get that box out of here. We got the manual, very important stuff. Got this nice sleek wand. Put that to the side for now. We got what appears to be a little tool holder. We'll take a look at that one in just a moment as well. We got this nice, beautiful crevice tool. Sure. Oh, and it extends. Look at that. Oh, wow. Wowee. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Got a nice little battery for it. Need that. Also won't run. Charger for the battery. Need that. Also won't run. Got a nice little upholstery tool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. A little red around the bottom. I like that. That's cool. All right. Now we got our power nozzle, little motorized head, and looks like it's got a push button. Oh, the whole thing comes out, so you can clean it very easily. That's what we like. You always have to clean off your brush rolls, especially if you have pets. It can wrap around. Hair can wrap around very easily. So that's cool. I like that. And then put back on. You just push it. Oh, there you go. Nice, cool. Put that to the side. Now for the guy that does it all. Got the vacuum itself. Oh, and the stand. Put that away. This is the mounting stand. You can screw it into the wall, and then you put your machine just like this. You can even attach the wand to it. Attach the wand to it and the power nozzle. Hang it up on your wall. Just like that. It's not awkward if you actually have it on a wall, not have someone hold it up in the air. Let's get this guy out of here. Excuse me. All right, so this is gonna be the guy, all said and done. Let's hear this bad boy purr. Guess you have to charge it. So that will be in another video. Oh no, nope, I'm dumb. Battery. There we go. And it has different settings on it. You can boost it. So it's on Eco, now it's on Boost, and we got Turbo. So there's 3 different power settings. And you just press to turn it on and off. Don't have to hold the trigger down. You can take the filter right off just like that. And then for the dirt container, I'm gonna figure this one out together. Put this guy to the side for now. Oh, little push button right here. Press it, comes right off. Take this guy, dump it out. Very easy. You can clean it yourself. You can take this guy off. These parts you can wash, make sure they're dry. Put that back in. Back on the machine. Good to go. Got your crevice tool. Slaps right on. Upholstery, same thing. You can also put it at the end of the wand as well. So if you need a little extra reach, got this. Get all the way to the ceiling. I don't think that's gonna cut into the video, but boop. I hit the ceiling, by the way. And then this is for your tools. That bad boy looks like it goes right here. So the tools aren't actually stored on the vacuum, they're stored on the wall mount. So that's very nice. You have a screw, it's not connecting all the way, I'd have to put the screw in. But yeah, so that's what we got. We Bob, how much are these going for?
$239.
$239. That's a steal. This is very nice quality. Doesn't feel cheap. I like it a lot.